Hello, this is George Senda, the real, authentic, official, one and only, original, the guy from Pittsburgh, accept no substitutes or imposters. And this is another episode of Burgh Unboxing. And I've already mentioned what this is in the previous video, but I'll open this up. It's hard to do one-handed. My right shoulder is still killing me. And today I'll be working on the kitchen. And after this, I will take a shower and then I will show you what I got in the store last night. It cost me $3 my own money. All right, here we have Friskies prime filet. Hold on a minute. I'm going to put this down. Oh. Okay. All right. And my feet. All right, well, what's blocking the camera here? Hold on. Oh, there we go. All right, we have Friskies 40 cans prime filet. So, surfing and turfing. It is ocean whitefish, salmon and beef, chicken and tuna, and chicken and gravy. And added to what I already got, let's see, at 64, 70, 90, 130. I have almost enough to feed the kitties. So there it is. That is not light by any means. So there'll be a huge stack of cat food here. And I have a video of Fuzzy. And she loved the items. And there's the items bag. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay warm, wet, dry, or cool as the case may be. I'm going to start cleaning in here today, and it's like death in here. And so this should show you. I'm going to walk over here. There's the current batch of cat food. And to give you a visual idea of what I have to buy every month, that's a month's supply of wet food for the outdoor cats, but I could use donations to buy cheaper cat food because it's financially murdering me every month. All right, there's Fuzzy. Trying to go to sleep. Go to sleep, little Fuzzy. Go to sleep, baby cat. And she's so cute. I love her very much. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, the real official, one and only, the guy from Pittsburgh. I got to move that cat dish and wash it. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. And you can see the temperature up there. And all the fans are off so I can do this video. And stay safe out there. Bye-bye for now.